Hey, how's it going, guys? Mr. Gualiardo here again. I hope everybody's feeling okay and doing well. So today we're going to learn about Punnett squares, okay? So we're going to start off with is talking about alleles. The certain trait we're going to talk about is wool color. So I have an orange wool and a white wool. And our white wool is going to be dominant over the orange wool, okay? So what we're going to say is the father here of this cross we're going to do is going to have, it's a pure line recessive trait, so he has little t, pure line, so he's orange. The mother is pure line dominant, so he has big T, big T. That means I am annotating the wool color with these letters. So big T is pure line dominant for white. Then pure, little t is pure line recessive for orange. So if we go to across these guys, we come to something that looks like this. The mother or the father donates a sperm, and the mother donates a egg. So what you do, it's almost like a multiplication table, okay? What you start off with, you multiply that by this, an allele from the father and an allele from the mother, and you get big T, little t. Same thing, big T and little t, so big T, little t, big T, little t, big T, little t. So, if we remember, a dominant trait will always show over a recessive trait. Okay? So with that, by that I mean we have this is no longer pure line, but it's a hybrid, so it's big T, little t, big T, little t, big T, little t, big T, little t. And the chances of this father, who is pure line recessive, and the mother, who's pure line dominant, of producing a um, lamb or offspring with white wool is 100% because if we look at the four squares here, all of them are going to show the dominant trait for white. And obviously then you would have 0% chance of the orange wool being seen. So if we change it up a little bit, say now the father would be a hybrid now because he has big T, little t, big T, little t, okay? Or the mother also has big T, little t. And we see now that big T, little t, this father would be white, and this mother would be white, but if we do the cross like we just did, do that, so that, by that gives you big T, that's pure line dominant. Big T by little t gives you this, which is hybrid. Big T, little t, which gives you this, hybrid. And then big T, little t gives you this, which is pure line recessive. So now, if we look, this specific father and this mother have a 75% chance of making a lamb with white wool, and then a 25% chance of making a lamb with orange wool, because we have a pure line recessive that shows up here. Oh, please stop. There we go. All right, makes sense. And this is important. They're percents and they're not children. So every time a mother and a father mate, so we do a new Punnett square. This is not for children. This is showing the percent chance that the child will have the same allele as the mother or the father. Okay? All right.